This is the new BMW M8 Gran Coupe idea. BMW may utilize the word idea, yet separated from a couple of little subtle elements. This is basically the most recent portion of the new 8 Series family, following on from the 8 Series Coupe idea indicated a year ago. This time around, BMW has demonstrated to us a 8 Series in the pretense of a completely fledged M variation, in spite of the fact that there will obviously be a scope of lesser 8 Series Gran Coupes coming to showcase too. At more than 5 meters long, the M8 Gran Coupe is a major auto, with a roofline somewhat higher than that of the 8 Series Coupe. However, the generally low line cap and the inclining roofline mask its general extents, and each Gran Coupe gets the swollen curves at the back that give the size a Coke bottle impact. There's an additional wrinkle line in the side profile as well, which BMW's creators say give this auto an all the more capable, tasteful contrasted with the milder, more arousing bends of the Roadster form. The ducktail spoiler incorporated into the boot cover is another component standard over all Gran Coupe models, made conceivable on account of the area being produced using plastic. The 4 entryways have frameless windows, and the Hofmeister wrinkle toward the finish of the side glass realistic is a processed part, not the typical expelled piece, empowering an all the more correctly point-by-point shape. Concerning the components particular to the M dispartment form, these start at the front end with the natural 3-consumption M front guard, and furthermore incorporate on this idea rendition yellow daytime running lights, roused by the yellow headlamps of the GTE Class M8 Racer. BMW told Evo the organization is taking a gander at bringing them into generation as a key identifier of the M variant. There are likewise more extensive front-wheel curves to oblige the greater haggles you'd expect on AM on auto, in addition to the commonplace CFRP rooftop and quad-tail funnels at the back. The wheels, as well, are another improvement for the M8, with the lighter surfaces the consequence of processing, not painting and cleaning, giving the wheels a precious stone impact, progressing instead of the standard turning circle look. Nothing has been affirmed by BMW at this phase with regards to the mechanical bundle underneath the M8 Gran Coupe's sharp suit, nor any points of interest of its inside, either. However, expect an indistinguishable powertrain from the new M5. That should mean a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with sufficiently close 600 bhp, an 8-speed programmed gearbox, and a 4-wheel drive framework that additionally enables the auto to be race-wheel drive, just if the comparing driver mode is chosen.